Benford's law, example. In preparation, please have the spreadsheet open on your computer and follow along. Maximum benefit guaranteed. Learning objectives, demonstrating Benford's law using a data set.
That last bit on logarithms was wild.
Why do you say that? It was my way of explaining why the law worked. In fact, here's the probability for you. Probability of leading digit equals d is as simple as log of d plus 1 over d.
Now I know why you focused on those log values. Okay, I'm cool with that.
Thanks, Lisa. Hello everyone. Welcome to our demo on Benford's law. In the last two videos, we have introduced the law and told you how it works.
But I'm yet to see a concrete example.
Not to worry. Do you remember the very first data set we took you through in SFB1?
The tourism receipts? What has that got to do with Benford's?
Patience, Lisa. I hope you all have it open through the link we have provided. So we have information on tourism receipts for 161 countries, and we are going to analyze the leading digits for the year 2007 and year 2010. I have copied the tourism receipts for these 2 years in the analysis sheet. Now let us move on to calculate the leading digit of each of these numbers. So I will type left, B3 and 1. I will replicate this action for all cells, and I've got the leading digits for 2007 and just drag it to find the leading digits for 2010. There you are. So now that we have the leading digits for the years, we can move on to calculate the frequencies. So we will use COUNTIF d:d, and we are using it for the leading digit 1, and that gives us 47. Replicate this again. Here you are. You've got the frequencies for the year 2007. I will calculate the same for the year 2010. This time I'll choose E:E for the leading digit 1 again and replicate this. There you go. Notice that we have the frequencies for both the years. Let us check the total frequencies. We'll use sum, which gives us 161, so we are good. And there you go. So 161 again. Now we move on to calculate the proportions. So I will choose the numerator from here, and remember to fix your denominator. There you go. And that gives you the proportion of representation of each of the digits for the year 2007. I'll just drag this to get it for 2010. Now compare these numbers with the Benford's law. These proportions can be quite confusing. So why don't we visualize it with a bar chart? So I will just select this table and create a clustered column chart. Now as we know, these bars are represented by the leading digit, which we already have here. So I'll go ahead and select these and click delete. Here you go. You have the Benford's law represented by the violet columns, the years 2010 and 2007 represented by the green and the red ones. They're pretty close, aren't they?
Does this happen in all cases? How about with stock prices?
Great question. We have software X and software Y.
And I bet a solid exercise for you.